Okay. Post Malone type beat. Wait,
Yeah,
I don't know what to rap about.
bro, I just pick anything. I rapped about boogers. So.
Okay. I just hit someone with my car. About to run off and go really far. Hope the cops don't find me. Oops, they look kinda bloody. Oops, I hit you with my car. I feel really awkward about it, yeah. I didn't wanna see it cause I think it would make my tummy hurt, yeah. So I didn't get out of my car and I drove away into the freeway. And now I feel so much dismay. I wonder if they had a family. They probably had kids or something. Or maybe they were just about to graduate college and get a business degree. Oh man, that's kinda funny. Isn't life funny? Yeah. You can be just driving and you can just hit someone with your car.
Woo, you can change it in an instant.
Yeah.
In an instant.
Blink and you miss it. Life is just like that. Life is full of so many amazing and wonderful things. I never know what's gonna happen from one day to the next. Am I gonna fall in the shower and move my neck in the wrong way and then get a stroke later? I don't know. Nobody knows. All I know is I got a lot of boogies in my nose. Run it.
Yeah. I'm on that hit and run. I be having fun. I be baking murder cases like I'm cooking buns. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck about the law. Bitch, you ball. Bitch, I ball. I don't give a motherfuck what I do or what he do. It's
Are you okay? Did you choke on your own spit?
yeah. Wait, let me grab water real fast.
Yeah, let me get some Gatorade too.
BRB, I'm gonna grab. Do you need more water?
No, I'm good. I still got Gatorade. I've been slowly whittling away at it.